On 17th of February 2024, OpenAI uploaded a video on their official YouTube channel, and that is a video of an AI tool, SORA. After watching that particular video, I started searching about SORA, and I found out that this AI tool has a potential to make a revolutionary changes into the content creation process. Now, why I'm saying this, let's understand into this particular video. Also, in the last of the video, we are going to discuss a very important factor which has been ignored by all those people who are talking about this AI tool. So watch this video till end. Also, don't skip any single part of this particular video because we are going to discuss everything about SORA in this particular video. Okay, so first of all, how you can access the SORA. So first you need to go to Google, type on SORA, press enter. You will find a link of OpenAI, and that is openai/SORA. I will paste this particular link into the description. Now, first of all, what is SORA? So basically, it's a generative AI tool like chatgpt, but the major difference here is the chatgpt will give you a reply format of text when you write down any prompt over there, but here the SORA will create a video on whatever text you will input here. So for understanding how this particular tool is different from other AI tools, because there are lots of other AI tools also there which are similar to SORA, which creates video through the text. I'm going to play 3 short videos. Now you need to decide that which video is being created by AI itself. This one is our first video where a boy is reading a book, and you can see a minor text over this book, a shadow of that particular person. Video look quite realistic, right? This one is our second video where you can see an eye of a lady. This seems to be a real video. Now this one is our third video. Take a look. Now pause this video and write down into the comment section that which video is created by AI and which video is a real video. Okay, so what if I tell you that all the 3 videos are being created by an AI tool, and that AI tool is SORA. And here the difference is the in-depth understanding of physics, lightning effect, and even the human nature, human skin tones, and many more factors, which gives a very realistic look to that particular videos. And that is what the SORA focused on. So basically, SORA is again a product of OpenAI, like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also a product of OpenAI. And like ChatGPT, this SORA is also a very interesting AI tool to understand. You can also watch few more videos which is created by SORA, like this one, and many more into the official website of SORA. Now, how you can create the similar kind of videos using SORA. So basically, here you can see below there are some text given related to that particular video, means what prompt you will give to this AI tool, and that AI tool will convert this into the video. So basically, these are the prompts that reflection in the window of a train traveling through the Tokyo suburbs. You can download and you can copy a link of this particular video and send it to anyone you want. So you understand that how you can create this type of videos in simple 1 to 2 line of text, and that is very different from other AI tools which took kind of script to make this kind of videos. This brings to an disadvantage of SORA, that is the personalization of a video. Let's suppose you want a specific detail into that particular video. Obviously they will going to introduce this kind of feature, but in this particular version you can only see a video which is less personalized to you. But what if you need a very in-depth change into this particular video? So in that case, maybe you can improve the prompt, more advancement, you can copy and download this particular video, you can edit this video and even upload anywhere you want. And that is the best part of using this AI tool. The question arises here is, can you use this particular AI tool? So for now, at the time of recording this particular video, the OpenAI doesn't open this particular AI tool for everyone. They have given access to some specific people like designers, filmmakers, editors to access this particular platform. And once the OpenAI will take few feedbacks from those people, they will going to launch this particular product. Here you can check capabilities of this SORA, where it can convert any text into a video, and it can generate a video up to a minute long, also by maintaining the visual quality. Also they have given a warning kind of thing, so you can also read this into the official platform over safety, that as you can see, we will be taking several important steps safety steps ahead of making SORA available in OpenAI products. As per the safety purpose, they have also submitted this particular AI tool to red teamers. They are the domain experts, which will focus more on safety purpose of every user. They will make sure that nothing will provide as a misinformation from this particular AI model. No hateful content would be served, and it would not be a biased product at all. So these are the safety measures which they are taking, and you can check other sections also like research and all. Now coming to the very important part of this particular video, in the tagline itself, this particular SORA tool will convert text to video. But the real thing would be this particular AI tool will convert your thought into a perfect video. The reason is you don't need any script for this particular video. You just need a prompt. A text to video converter are those which need a full script, and then it will going to create a video. But in this case, you will simply give a thought that yeah, I need to visualize this particular thing, and it will automatically understand and generate a video for you. So that's all for this particular video. You can also check more detail onto openai.com/SORA for this particular AI tool. Also, once this AI tool available for everyone, I will going to create a more in-depth video like we have created for ChatGPT, and we'll understand that how you can give a more appropriate prompt to this particular AI tool to get a very specific video you want. Thank you very much for watching this video.